India, known as the world's largest democracy, hosts over 130 million children aged between 2 to 6 years. Despite the mothers' efforts to provide the best diet for their children, 1 in 3 Indian children are stunted, lagging in their growth milestones. As a market leader in child nutritional supplements, Pediasure aimed to increase consumers' active consideration for its products. This was to be achieved by educating mothers about prevalent growth concerns in their children, empowering them with a DIY growth check mechanism, and providing the right nutritional counseling. However, this required us to look beyond usual ways of discrete multimedia advertising, wherein all 3 layers of funnel were non-connected because of secured walled gardens of top global platforms. Hence, we partnered with one of the world's largest mobile ad networks, InMobi, and designed a seamless full funnel journey for our consumers. Leveraging the rich audience data from InMobi, we precisely identified 24 million mothers of 2 to 6-year-old children. Our unique campaign design traversed mothers through 3 stages. 1. Instilling problem awareness. 2. Consideration building through DIY self-check tool. And 3. Taking corrective action by initiating nutrition counseling. At the first instance of exposure, our ad grabbed mothers' attention with a full-screen takeover interstitial banner communicating the poignant message of 1 in 3 kids in India are stunted. Is your child's growth at risk? Check now in 30 seconds. Upon clicking the banner, seamlessly converted into a data collective template. Here, mothers entered 3 parameters, that is age, gender and height. Submitting this data showed either of the 3 results, that is stunted, at risk or on track with a CTA of Act Now. Finally, the in-banner urged them to register for free nutritional counseling by submitting their valuable first-party data and ultimately landing them on Pediasure website to explore the product. The campaign made a resounding impact by captivating the attention of an impressive 11.2 lakh mothers who actively engaged with the ad, achieving an unprecedented 8.6% click-through rate. The campaign's effectiveness was evident. But beyond all, Pediasure's consideration scores increased by 7.1% and registered 15.4% increase in product trials. Our innovative full funnel approach through interactive display campaign achieved a 40% conversion rate that truly empowered mothers in choosing the right nutrition partner for their children.